Hello guys, welcome to CAD Make. In today's tutorial we are going to design a pulley, using essential features and commands to bring our design to life. We'll also customize appearance and transparency to give our material a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click on New. Click Part and click OK. Now go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the right plane. Set the working area plane like this. Go to the line. Take the center line command. Draw a vertical line and a horizontal line passing through the origin point like this. Click Exit. Now go to the Tools menu. Click on Sketch Tools. Click Dynamic Mirror. Select this line. Now take the line command and start rough sketching from here. Draw a horizontal line. Then vertical line. Again horizontal line. Draw a vertical line. An inclined line. Now draw a vertical line. A horizontal line. Again an inclined line. Draw the last one to the center line. Click Exit. Now go to the Smart Dimension command and give the length to this line as 16 mm. Click OK. The total length from this line to this one is 35 mm. Click OK. Length from this line to the center line is 6 mm. Click OK. Distance from this line to the center line is 10 mm. Click OK. Distance between this line and this line is 12 mm. Click OK. Angle between this line and this one is 150 degrees. Click OK. Length of this line is 12 mm. Click OK. Height of this inclined line is 5 mm. Click OK. Length of this line is 5 mm. Click OK. Distance from this line to this one is 16 mm. Click OK. Distance from this point to this one is 10 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now go to the Features and click on Revolved Boss command. Click here and select the sketch. Click here and select this line as an axis of revolution. Click OK. Press Ctrl+7 to make it normal. Here we see it looks perfect and amazing. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Zoom in. Take the center rectangle command and draw it here on the circle quadrant. Click OK. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the distance from this line to the origin point as for millimeters. Click OK. Length of this horizontal line is 3.47 mm. Click OK. Take the center line command and draw a line from origin to the rectangle center point like this. Click OK. Press Ctrl+7 to make it normal. Now go to the Features. Click on Extruded Cut command. Make sure it is through all. Select the direction too. Click OK. Here we see it looks perfect. Press Ctrl+7 to make it normal. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Circle command and draw a circle 35 mm diameter here in the origin point. Press Enter. Make it for construction. Click OK. Again take the Circle command and draw 8 mm diameter circle here on circle quadrant. Press Enter. Click OK. Take the circular pattern command. Click here and choose Center Origin Point. Give the pattern number as 5. Click OK. Now go to the features and click on Extruded Cut command. Select here through all. Click OK. Zoom out. Here we see we have created the pulley and it looks perfect and amazing. Click isometric to make it normal. Go to the visual styles. Select shaded mode. Make it normal like this. Go to the visual styles and remove the shaded mode. Now go to the appearance. Click on metal. Click nickel. Choose the brushed nickel. Here we see it looks better amazing with this appearance. It's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.